right in. It didn't come through, but it stuck right up to this glove. That was like at 7:30 in the morning. Football the rest of the day. Swelled up from here all the way up to the balloon. I couldn't even take the glove off. I used to be able to slap my gloves off. One more straight. Goes, oh, I suppose you want to go in. And what's the sense? We're almost done.
I got my phone.
It was so slimy.
Brand new one. I had it.
All those back there, guys.
Yeah. I did. Wouldn't come out. So I grabbed the whole of it. My hand went over.
Look at that sail.
Look at this one.
Whoa,
They're
tiger
brand
sail.
new one too. Man, that hurt.
The son's got one on his.
Alright,
They both have the inflatable back.
bad boy next.
You guys are all brave.
Got it second day out here. I thought.
Logan, would you like to try?
Sit down there.
Alright, how about you sit down for me? Perfect. Then did you see how they tuck the tail under? One hand on the bottom and one hand on the top. Perfect. It's such good direction following, you guys.
Good job. Checking them out.
Fish right out of here, or
They're all fearless.
I fished on a rock board.
Look at me.
I fished at a liquid well. And then I did. I fished a
All set?
there.
Alright, I'm going to put this fellow back in his tank.
Oh, did he pee on you?
Doing my apprenticeship and all that
No,
stuff.
it leaked on me. Come
Yep.
on.
This broke
Oh,
me months
come
ago.
on.
Why'd you have to pee on
My
me?
wife and I bought it. Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Throw him back.
The worst part about
Alright,
lobster
guys.
is the hour.
He's a baby.
The schedule is the worst part. Everything
He
else
has
is
no
fine.
claws.
It's got to be ready to go fishing every single
What
day.
is different from this guy from the one that we just caught?
Even if
That
it's
one
cold,
had
it's still gotta show
claws,
off
but
because
This
the
one
weather
doesn't
is
have
wrong
any
all the
claws,
time.
does he?
Weird, huh? No claws. So they gotta throw him back in because he's not ready yet.
yeah, bent over. I know we're not going.
Know what I mean?
Go get him. I'll
I'm
go
just
down with
recording
him. Sit there for 40 minutes.
Oh,
for our mama vision.
Standing on the dock. We'll go get the boat and get baited up anyway. See if it'll calm down. That's the worst part about it.
Roughly, you want to be a resident. Every fire.
How
Oh, yeah.
Throw out everything.
It's not, it doesn't feel like the shell.